And here comes the starfish. It's about 50 degrees out here, 25-mile-an-hour winds, steady out of the north. But these people were out there fishing, they gotta be freezing. Let's see if there's anybody on this starfish. Usually don't see this boat until the summertime. This is Sea Isle City, April 20th. I don't see a lot of people on that boat. Of course, the birds know where the fish are. Wasn't expecting to see him today. And maybe he's just testing out the motors. Of course, I'm out here fishing too. Go figure. See you later, starfish.